Hello everyone, I'm Daniel from Charm Key Makerspace. So, tara let's proceed sa practice problem 2.7. So, makikita natin para siyang bracket lang dito. Meron tayong duration of 15 minutes, difficulty is easy, and features as is. Volume is 56,490 millimeter cube. So, sige, punta tayo sa SolidWorks. New part. Sige. Then, una natin gagawin is gawin tong pinaka basic part. So, which is itong base. Okay. So, top plane, sketch. Gawa tayo ng center rectangle. And then, pwedeng itong circle. Wait, agad natin yung itong right side na to. Okay. So, ang length niya is 86. Yan, 86. Radius nito is 20. So, gawin natin 40 since diameter yon. Trim natin yung excess. Kailangan isang whole shape lang siya para mag-shade. Then, sige, pwede natin gawin tong slot. Tong slot. Mas madali yung straight slot. Then, click here, click here. Ayan, so yung center line length is 23. Radius niya or diameter nakalagay dito is 14. 14 divided by ito kasi radius 7. Ayan. So basic lang. 9 TYP thickness. So kung anong. So yun lang. Typical. Pati yun dito sa thickness neto 9 din yan ibig sabihin. So okay, gawin natin yun. 9. Tapos ayan, origin niya nandun sa ilalim. So one side lang siya. Ayan. Okay, there we go. Sketch dito sa side na to. Okay, then gawin natin to. Same lang. So, gawa tayo ng corner rectangle. Okay, anong width? So, 35 diameter. 35. Then, yung height, 38. Okay. Then, tanggalin natin yung excess lines. Okay, there we go. Then, check natin bakit kulay blue. Kita mo, hindi pantay yung center origin niya. Nating horizontal. Yan. Then, balik natin yung height nito. Nawala eh. 38. Then, meron siyang butas, 14. Lagyan agad natin, 14. Okay, there we go. Extrude. So, makikita nyo palabas. Reverse natin. Then, front plane. Mirror. Features. Saan natin to? Features to mirror. Itong part. Ayaw. Ito pala. Yan. Okay, there we go. Ito yung target volume natin, 56,490 mm cube. Okay, mas properties, kuha pa natin. 56,490 mm cube. So, yun, sakto. Ay, hindi naman sakto. I mean, average. Okay. Yun lang guys, sobrang bilis, no? Lapit. So, basic lang yung parts. So, sige, save natin. See, practice problem 2.7. 6? Oh, yeah, 7. Tama. Okay, there we go. Yun lang guys. Good job and God bless. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.